chaotic movement is beautiful. It's random, unpredictable, and represents endless possibility. But there's also certainty within the chaos, just like the operation of our universe. Everything is chaotic, and inevitably becomes more and more chaotic, according to the second law of thermodynamics.
Our inspiration came from the chaotic pendulum, which is usually seen on people's desks as a motion sculpture, or in physics classes to demonstrate the principles of chaos theory and nonlinear dynamics. We combined that with the planetary systems, where everything orbits around the center point, and came up with the Planetary Projector.
It has two states. When it's used as a decorative sculpture, it moves chaotically, and we hope it could bring peace of mind to the observer. When you interrupt the system, the driving force disengages and you can bring it to an upright position. You lock into that position with a satisfying magnetic snap, and all the arms will stay in a balanced state, like everything should be. And the planetary projector becomes a desktop lamp. A cold, hard spotlight then turns on, projecting onto the star in the center, which acts as a light diffuser and illuminates the environment with a soft touch.
We started with a Lego pendulum, then a wooden double pendulum as a proof of concept. We did extensive research on how chaotic systems behave and how to balance such systems, and had our first prototype, hoping that the innermost arm could illuminate. We soon realized that the wiring through so many bearings would be an engineering nightmare, and decided that the planetary system should have a star in the center, illuminated by the spotlight in the base.
Problem came up again. The gravity will always try to pull everything down, and the arms will be in the way of the projection light. We then added hidden magnets to lock the first stage arm into the upright position, and the magnetic rate switch will detect that position. The light will turn on after delay, so that it doesn't get triggered during the chaotic motion. This is still an early prototype. The final prototype will be scaled up and integrate motor and security. In essence, the planetary projector embodies the duality of chaos and order, both mesmerizing and grounding, unpredictable yet harmonious. It invites the observer to find beauty in randomness and solace in balance, much like the universe it draws inspiration from. As we continue refining this project, our goal is to create not just the functional object, but the powerful expression of the dance between chaos and control.